Hello?
Hello.
What's happening, people? I'm in my basement. I'm gonna replace a window. Eventually I'm gonna replace that one, but this one's actually closed off and foamed or insulated, whatever, for now. So that one's fine. The one I already replaced is over on this side, and we're waiting to put vent and fill pipes in from the oil tank. We got pipes down there. Waiting to put in, and they're gonna go through the wood on this side over here. And I put that window in over here on this side. Oh, look at fucking spiders. You can open it up. Get some air. Yeah, maybe we'll leave that open for now. Over here, I'm gonna bust this out and replace it. We're all done. Look.